I have done the research so you don't have to. So whether you're new to cycling or just looking to upgrade your old bike, I'll go over everything you need to know about buying your new bike. Yeah! I will cover the types of bikes to consider and the benefits of each of those, and tell you which one's the fastest. So when you're choosing a bike, it's important to consider what type of riding you'll actually be doing, and then choose a bike that's fitted for that. Are you looking for a commuting? Are you looking to ride on the roads, ride on a mountain, leisurely ride, or race? A road bike is designed for efficient riding on paved roads. They usually have a lightweight frame, narrow tires, and drop handlebars, so you can get into an aerodynamic position and ride for a long period of time pretty quickly. Road bikes are ideal for long distance rides, group rides, and racing. They provide excellent speed and efficiency on smooth surfaces, making them great for cycling on the road. A BMX bike is for fast acceleration, not for overall long distance speed. You see a lot of these BMX bikes for tricks, not necessarily racing. Cyclocross bikes are off-road bikes that have increased frame clearance and suitable for both on-road and off-road riding. They have a rugged frame with wider tires and clearance and a more relaxed geometry compared to road bikes to make it a little bit more comfortable. They excel in mixed terrain conditions, including dirt, gravel, and grass. They often have additional features like disc brakes and wider tires. Gravel bikes can have suspension. They can be fast and hold a bunch of stuff. They allow you to switch out different tires so that you can go on the road fast or on the trails with a lot of traction, making them good options for riders who want to tackle both road cycling and trails. Thank you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me reach other triathletes when you do that. I'm so close to reaching 1,000 subscribers. As a thank you, here's a dad joke. Why was the farmer so good at producing power on the bike? Because he raised calves every day. Now back to the video. Now the folding or commuter bike are usually designed specifically for urban commuting and practicality. They often have features like racks, fenders, lights, and comfortable riding positions. These bikes prioritize utility, durability, and ease of use. They are suitable for commuting to work, running errands, and navigating city streets. The next bike is the time trial bike. They are the second fastest bike on this list. They are specifically designed for going fast in triathlons or time trials. They feature aerodynamic frames, deep section wheels, and aggressive riding positions. Triathlon bikes prioritize aerodynamics and speed over comfort. If you're primarily focused on triathlons or time trials, a triathlon bike will be suitable for you. Mountain bikes are next on the list. They're not built for speed, but they are built for off-roading. They have a sturdy frame, wide knobby tires, and suspension systems for better shock absorption. They come in different categories like cross-country, trail, all-mountain, and downhill, each suited for different types of off-roading riding. Next up is the hybrid. It's kind of like a road bike, but not for all-out speed. It's more for comfort. They combine features of the road bike and mountain bike, and they have more upright riding position, wider tires, and versatile frame geometry. Hybrid bikes are ideal for casual riders, commuters, and recreational cycling on both paved roads and light trails. They offer a balance of comfort, efficiency, and versatility. Next up is the touring bikes. They have a heavier frame, more gears, and more storing capabilities. They don't have a lot of speed, but they are pretty comfortable. Track bikes don't have brakes. They are all about being aero and fast. These are for short, intense sessions, usually for racing. Electric bikes are another good bike that you can choose from. They come in all kinds of styles, including road bikes, mountain bikes, and hybrids, so they can be pretty comfortable. E-bikes are popular for their ability to provide a little bit of boost when you're climbing up that hill. They're suitable for a wide range of uses, including commuting, leisure riding, and long-distance trips. Next up is the Recumbent Bike. This is the most aerodynamic bike and the fastest one out there. I bet you didn't guess that. Now that you've decided on your next bike, click here to learn about the exercises that'll take your cycling to the next level.